Today I have a pair of Authentic Lites. This is the ultralight foam version, the predecessor to the UltraCush. Here we have the box. Obviously it's got a third-party label on it, but these are from 2018. I believe they might have been discontinued in 2018 or 2019. They have of course now been replaced by the UltraCush range. Here you can see they look pretty much, I'd say almost identical to the standard Authentics, but they have a foam outsole, so it's not the hard rubber, so you can really kind of squeeze that there. And these are ultra lightweight. These it's definitely at least half the weight of a normal Authentic. I've heard great things about these. People are really desperate to find these now, since they're quite rare. I think there might be one or two available on certain sites. You've got to really look for them though. The reason why Vans stopped with the lights is because this foam outsole didn't last very long, and apparently can get quite slippy. It's not quite as grippy, but from comfort side, comfort wise, they are apparently really amazing, and people swear by these. We have the normal, it's not in focus unfortunately, but it's the normal Vans heel tab. These are actually like an off-white, so it's not the true white checkerboard. These are actually a Cupsole, so what that means is this is a one-piece sole. Vans are traditionally a vulcanized sole. That means you'd have the sole as one piece, and then the binding tape for the midsole is normally a separate piece. You can tell because traditionally there'd be that kind of overlap there, but this actually kind of got that it's made to look like it's vulcanized. It's made to look like it's actually an overlapping piece, but really this is actually just a one piece construction. Okay, with just one pair of white laces, the pick me up sign, maybe I'll keep that on as a sign for the ladies, maybe not, and the standard sticker. They also come with these inserts which are Vans branded.